Fitbit's AI-powered coach expands to iPhone, and new markets Google is accelerating the integration of its Gemini AI into Fitbit, rolling out the redesigned app and its new AI-powered health coach to iPhone users and additional countries. Initially available as an Android-exclusive preview in the US, the expansion includes the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. Effective February 10th for Fitbit Premium subscribers on both iOS and Android. The rise of AI in personal wellness, this move underscores a broader trend. Tech companies are increasingly leveraging AI to deliver personalized health insights. Fitbit, now backed by Google's AI capabilities, aims to evolve from a simple fitness tracker into a proactive wellness companion. The company's strategy centers around using data collected from wearable devices like the Pixel Watch and Fitbit trackers to provide AI-driven guidance. This isn't just about counting steps. It's about interpreting data and turning it into actionable plans. What's new in the redesigned app? The updated Fitbit app features a cleaner, more intuitive user interface organized around 4 core tabs: Today, Fitness, Sleep, and Health. The Today tab prioritizes weekly trends over daily fluctuations, offering a more realistic view of progress. The AI-powered coach is accessible via an Ask Coach prompt, allowing users to ask questions like, "What workout should I do with 30 minutes?" Or, "How can I improve my VO2 max?" The AI learns from user goals, fitness equipment availability, and even injuries to create dynamic, personalized plans. Google emphasizes that participation in the coaching experience is optional, allowing users to retain the traditional Fitbit experience if preferred. How the AI coach works: the coach draws on both real-time and historical data to provide insights and action plans. Users can engage through text or voice during a short onboarding process to help the AI understand their motivations and set goals. The system then adjusts recommendations based on training load, recovery data, and life events. This is a crucial step forward. Previously, users had to interpret their own data. Now, the AI does the heavy lifting. The AI-driven insights are designed to be more proactive, adjusting plans based on changing metrics and ensuring alignment with long-term goals. Availability and cost: the update is available to Fitbit Premium subscribers, priced at $10 a month or $80 a year, in the new regions, regardless of whether they use an iPhone or Android device. The preview allows users to toggle between the old and new app designs, facilitating side-by-side comparison and feedback collection. Google will rely heavily on user feedback to refine the experience before the final release. The potential and the risks: the expansion of Fitbit's AI coaching is a promising development. If successful, it could establish Google as a leader in wellness technology. However, trust and accuracy are paramount. Users must be confident that the AI provides reliable guidance and protects their sensitive health data. Ultimately, the success of this feature depends on whether it delivers tangible value, translating data into actionable insights that motivate and improve user well-being. The real test is not just the technology itself, but its ability to overcome skepticism and build trust in a world increasingly wary of AI.